Namaste everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ankit and you can find my videos on YouTube by the name of Ankit Gaur. This video is complete information about quitting alcohol, how you can quit alcohol, and how sulfur 200 potency and sulfur 1000 potency can be used for quitting alcohol. Plus, in this video I am going to explain to you if you are giving sulfur unknowingly to a person or without telling to them, will it work on them? Plus, I am going to give you one more information about naturally how you can make sulfur or make an alternative of sulfur homeopathic medicine through Ayurveda. Well, let us discuss what is sulfur first. Sulfur is present in our body, and when the levels of sulfur fluctuates in our body, either they become less or they become more. Well, chances of getting sulfur in more, like towards the more portion, is very less, but when the sulfur comes down from the normal level, then the problem of alcoholism, cigarette smoking starts. What happens is, when the sulfur level comes down, our body try to replenish it or bring it back to the normal level. How it will bring it back to the normal level is, the person will start consuming alcohol or cigarette smoking. More the person drinks, more the fluctuation in sulfur level. So that is how the person becomes an alcoholic. Well, that how things is known to happen in sulfur. Sulfur comes in basically it's 30 potency also, 200 potency also, and 1000 potency also, but I am going to tell you about sulfur 200 potency and sulfur 1000 potency. Sulfur 200 potency, how you have to take it. Sulfur 200 potency, in the morning, 2 drops of sulfur, 2 to 3 drops of sulfur 200 potency in 50 ml of water you have to take. If you are taking by yourself, like no one is giving it to you, and you want to quit alcohol on your own, if you are that kind of person who's watching this video, who really wants to quit alcohol, then it's the best solution for you. What you have to do is 2 drops of sulfur, 2 to 3 drops of sulfur 200 potency you have to take for 10 days. Then every 4th day you have to take sulfur 200 potency. Like today is the 10th day, from 10th day then 4 days you have to calculate every 4th day till 2 to 3 months, or until and unless you feel like not having any drinks anymore. One thing very critical I am going to tell you, that first 2-3 days are very important. How? You have to control on yourself. Quitting alcohol is not a cakewalk, it's not difficult also, but the thing is, your mind should be in your control. Sulfur takes some time to come to a particular level from where it can give you effect. First day you will feel like cramps will be there, you will feel extremely down or sometimes extremely aggressive. What you have to do is, you just have to divide your attention to other things. You might not feel like you might not be able to sleep also till late in the morning, maybe 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, you might not be able to sleep also, but you have to make sure that you don't drink. That willpower should be there inside you, and sulfur will start to kick in from the second or third day. You will start to see that, because the first evening or the first night is very difficult. When the time when you drink, your body will start to feeling ache of having a drink. That you have to control on the first day. Second day automatically you will realize that the ache or the itching of having the drink is little bit less from the first day. Third day you will realize that it's very less. Like that it will start to come down. From first day to 10th day you will realize that things are now more under your control. Like that you have to just deal with this first period of 3 to 4 days, and then things will be very easy for you, because sulfur is there to help you to compensate the itching or the the willpower of your willpower. Sulfur will increase that. Now, how sulfur act on your body, or what exactly sulfur does is, like I've told you, sulfur fluctuation is there. So if we give sulfur from outside, then the level comes to the normal. Sulfur 1000 potency and sulfur 200 potency. Well, sulfur 200 potency is to be given when the person drinks less than 500 ml, 365 ml, 500 ml or 650 ml. Less than that, if the person is drinking, you can give sulfur 200 potency. But if the person drinks more than 750 ml, then he should be given, or he should take sulfur 1m potency, sulfur 1m or sulfur 1000 potency. Sulfur 1000 potency has to be given. And how it has to be given? You have to take a glass of water. In that you have to take 1 drop. If the person is drinking or taking sulfur from himself, for himself, then same he can do that. Take a bowl, 50 ml water, put a drop of sulfur 1000 potency and drink it. And I will tell you one more thing, that if during the evening also, if you are feeling like having drinks, then you can take 1 drop of sulfur 200 potency directly onto your tongue. That won't create much of an issue for you. And for those who are taking this or giving this to somebody who doesn't know this, whether somebody is giving them any medicine for drinking, consider subscribing to the channel, because this information is totally free, and the only thing which you can do for me is just subscribe to it. Okay, now if you are giving sulfur without knowledge, the chances of success is 60-40. 60% are the chances that the person will quit drinking. 40% is that drinking will come down to a very low level, means person will not drink that much, or will not, he or she won't be that much interested towards the drinks. But will it work? Yes, it do works. I have an personal experience also, that sulfur works. My life changed totally because of sulfur 200 potency. My behavior changed. I have changed completely. Now I am sitting in front of you, talking to you, giving you things about life, telling you things about life. So these are some important things which I am telling you. And one more thing I am going to tell you, like I have told you, natural form of sulfur, how you can take out, or natural form of like Ayurvedic form of sulfur. You have to take ginger. And you have to cut it into small pieces, like slices, small slices. And then you have to take lemon, half lemon you have to take, half or full lemon according to the quantity of ginger you have taken, plus black salt. We call it black salt, kala namak. So that you have to take. If you Google that what is black salt, you will come to know. Otherwise I will put a picture here so that you can understand what exactly is black salt. You have to mix all three of them. You have to keep them in the open, and once you keep them in the open directly by the sunlight, when the sunlight comes in contact with this, naturally or automatically the sulfur content of ginger comes out. How you have to use this? Well, it's a miracle that sulfur is present in ginger, but when we eat it, like in Indian food system or anywhere, ginger is used, but that time it is not helpful. That time it is not helpful for quitting alcohol. When we use it or when we put it under the sun, then only the sulfur contents come out. How you have to use? When you feel like having alcohol or cigarette smoking, so you just have to keep it in your mouth and you have to suck on it. You don't have to chew it. Just keep it in your mouth and just keep on sucking it. Automatically it will release sulfur into your mouth. Automatically you will feel that your willpower is increasing. This is how sulfur acts on your body. Plus I will give you some more thoughts about it, that it is not only the person who wants to quit alcohol. Well, if you are watching this video, 90% of your work is done. If you want to quit for yourself, 90% of your work is done, because you have the willpower, you have the zeal to quit alcohol. That's why you are watching this video. But if you are watching it for someone, then you have to keep one thing in mind, that the person who is actually under the control of this demon called alcohol has totally made himself segregated from whole of the world. He has created a world of his own. The person who is an alcoholic, he doesn't like to take a bath, he doesn't like to wash himself, he doesn't like to take clean his hair, comb his hair, he is lethargic to walk also, he is lethargic to even laugh also. He has a very moody nature, he can fight with anybody anytime. You are not aware that whether when the person will start fighting. So one thing you have to keep in mind is how you have to support them, control them, give them positive vibes and positive feelings. Sulfur will only work, or sulfur will only create its benefits when you are giving them mental support along with sulfur, because mental support is very important for sulfur to work. If you love them, they will automatically, they'll feel the zeal towards life. They'll feel like the part which they are missing in life is you or their kids or whosoever they are connected to. If you are seeing for yourself, then you must realize that life is more than alcohol. It's not that evening pegs or evening enjoyment system which you do. It's in the beginning, but then you see how much the life has changed. Now you can't even walk properly, you can't even think properly, you can't even have breakfast properly if you don't drink. So please I'm telling you, if you have seen this video and if you are really interested in quitting alcohol, I am telling you, sulfur do work, sulfur has worked, and sulfur is working. But one thing you have to keep in mind, that if you have asthma problem, if you have breathing problem, then please don't use sulfur, because that will aggravate that, and the chances of you having some extra effects of sulfur is possible. People say that no, they don't have any side effects, or but it is there, sometimes it happens. And the second thing is, if you have any itching problem on your body, you have to use sulfur through consultation, because what happens is, when you take sulfur, itching aggravates. Sometimes itching aggravates to such a high level that the person gets scared, and the reason is he will quit sulfur, or he will blame those things on sulfur only. Rest, sulfur is okay, sulfur is safe. We have used sulfur, people are using sulfur. Sulfur is a great alternative, sulfur is a great medicine to quit alcohol. Quitting alcohol is possible with sulfur plus your right state of mind, and giving a right state of mind to the persons you love. Thank you so much. If you like my video, please consider subscribing and share this video. Namaste. Thank you.